Hey Pike Panthers, this is Mr. Little's Moon Phases pre-AP quiz oral recording. So I will get right to it. Before we start, make sure that you have previewed, reviewed, done everything that you need to in terms of looking through the notes, looking through the lecture, looking through your visual aids, making any kind of class notes, things like that that you think are going to be important. Make sure you've done the check for understanding. The Moon Phases pre-AP quiz should be the last thing that you do in this particular sequence. So here we go. First things first, we're going to put our name, first and last name. We're going to add our class period. And then we'll start with the questions. It says, at which position in the moon's orbit would a full moon occur? Would it occur at position 1, position 2, position 3, or position 4? Next question. If a new moon occurs on June 5th, on this day right here, what date will the first quarter moon phase occur? So for example, September 4th would be one possible answer here. I'm looking for when will I get the first quarter moon phase if the new moon occurs here. Will it be on your selected date? Since it looks like it is a free response, make sure you put it in just like you've got right here as the example. Otherwise, it may possibly count it wrong. Next question. Approximately how long does it take the moon to travel from position 1 to position 3? Would it be 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks? Next question. Okay, again, it's going to be a fillable. A third quarter phase occurs on June 11th, right here. What date will the first quarter moon phase occur? Make sure you give the month and day in the sequence shown here. Next question. Between which two positions in the moon's orbit would this phase be seen from Earth? Would it be between the new moon and the first quarter moon? Between first quarter moon and full moon? Between full moon and third or last quarter moon, or between the third last quarter moon and the new moon? Okay, we've got another short answer. A first quarter phase occurs right here on June 7th. What date will the new moon phase occur? Make your answer choice. Make sure it is in the correct sequence. Next question. A student uses paper and fasteners to create a model of Earth, the Sun, and the Moon. The Sun and Earth are attached to the paper background while the Moon is free to revolve around the Earth. Which diagram shows the object arranged so a new moon is visible from Earth? So which of the four diagrams here would indicate a new moon being visible from Earth? Would it be diagram 1, diagram 2, diagram 3, or if I can get it in here, diagram 4? Next question. A third quarter moon phase occurs on June 11th, right here. What moon phase will be visible on the 14th of June? So here you're going to put in the correct phase instead of a date. What type of moon phase is going to occur here if I have a third quarter moon phase occurring here? Next question. At which point in the moon's orbit of Earth would a person standing on Earth see a waxing crescent moon? Would it be at position 1, position 2, position 3, or position 4? Next question. A third quarter moon phase occurs on June 15th. What moon phase was visible on the 8th of June? Make sure you put in the correct moon phase for the 8th of June. The diagram below shows 4 phases of the moon as it revolves around Earth. A student builds a model based on this diagram using foam balls to represent the moon and a flashlight to represent the sun. The student should shine the flashlight on the model of Earth from position 1, up here, position 2, position 3, or position 4. Which diagram best represents the relationship of the Earth, Moon, and Sun during the last or third quarter moon phase? Model A, Model B, Model C, or Model D? The diagram below shows the moon orbiting Earth. An observer on Earth sees different phases on different dates. Which of the following dates is closest to the new moon phase? Answer must include the month and day, for example, July 4th. So again, you're going to put in a short answer here. Is it going to be April 23rd, April 27th, May 8th, or May 16th? Which of those dates is closest to the new moon phase? The moon revolves around the Earth. The moon travels at a speed of about 1 kilometer per second. Which of the following keeps the moon in orbit around the Earth? Gravity, magnetism, ocean tides, or the sun's nuclear fusion? Last question. Taylor observed the appearance of the moon every week for a month. She sketches her observations. Which of these diagrams best shows how the moon's appearance could have changed during the month Taylor performed her investigation? Answer choice A, answer choice B, answer choice C, or answer choice D? This concludes Mr. Little's Moon Phase Pre-AP Quiz oral recording.